Good morning, students. This is the video made for class 9 students, and the chapter is number system. It is of NCERT book, exercise 1.2. And as you can see, yesterday I had explained you about the question number 3. So here I will be explaining you exercise 1.2 question number 4, that is classroom activity. Constructing the square root spiral. Here I will be explaining you about a square root spiral, and I will be taking maximum 8 to 9 minutes of your time because I can't make more bigger than that much video. So I will read and I will instruct you how to do. If I will get time, I will try to construct over here also. So without wasting the time, let's see what here it has been said. It has been said, take a large sheet of paper and construct the square root spiral in the following fashion. Start with point O and draw a line segment OP1 of unit length. Draw a line segment P1 P2 perpendicular to OP1 of unit length. See figure 1.9. I will show you the figure also. I have drawn the figure also. Now draw a line segment P2 P3 perpendicular to OP2. Then draw a line segment of unit length P3 P4 perpendicular to OP3. Continuing this manner, you can get the line segment of unit length perpendicular to OP1. In this manner, you will have created points P2, P3, Pn, comma, and further, this is, and join them to create a beautiful spiral depicting root 2, root 3, root 4, and . So here it has been said about figure 1.9 and how to draw the spiral. Here figure has been also shown, figure 1.9. So let's see, this is the figure which has been shown in book. That is, at first you have to draw a unit length of 1 unit, OP. Yes, then after, what you have to do is, you have to, OP1 will be the line, and from P1 and P2 you have to construct a right angle, that means perpendicular line P1 P2, that is also of 1 unit. Each and every lines are of 1 unit. So here what will happen, this is root 2, this line will become root 2, in this way this line will come root 3, and in root 4. In this way you will continue. You can make it by taking 1 unit as 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter. Here in this picture I had taken 2 centimeter and drawn it with pen so that it can be seen clear. But as you can see pencil lines are also seen clear. So now there is about 4 minute time is more. So I will explain you how to do this, and you will try to do it in chart paper if it is present at your home, nor than in A4 size paper you can do it. You will try to make it with a sketch pen. Clearful, it is activity, it is not in copy. It should be made as activity in a chart paper or bigger paper in decorative manner. Even you can use thermocol or what saying, this cartoon paper, that means in cartoon thick paper you can just paste it over there. So let's see, I am making of 3 centimeter by taking 3 centimeter as a unit line. Just see, I am drawing a line of 3 centimeter. Okay, it became 3.5. No problem. You can take 3.5 also, or 3 or 4 according to your wish. You can take a unit. I had taken one time 3.5 as 1 unit, then every time I will be taking 3.5 as 1 unit. So I will draw a perpendicular line. If you are getting confused how to draw exact perpendicular line, then nothing to do. From the ending point, take just 90-degree mark, and with the help of a scale you can just draw 3.5 centimeter line. Now there comes the problem that how to draw. Then simply you can keep it in such a way so that it should make 3.5. Here you can see when I am joining it is becoming 5. So from here 1.5, from 1.5 I will take the line, so it will become 3.5 centimeter 1 unit. So as it, I will rename it as OP1, and then again from here I will join. Nothing to do, the same process we will be continuing. This will become P2, and then after again from here again I will be taking 90-degree angle, and I will be again drawing 3.5 centimeter because I had taken the unit as 3.5 centimeter. So every time I will be taking 3.5 centimeter perpendicular line because it is my 1 unit. This becomes root 2. Sorry, root 2. I had written root 3 by mistakenly. It is root 2 because 1 unit and 1 unit. I had already explained you in number line. Now when I will join this root 2 and 1 unit perpendicular line, then the new hypotenuse will be root 3. In same way again I will be drawing from this becomes the P3 point. From here I will be drawing again 90-degree mark, and again I will be taking 3.5 centimeters line. This becomes my point P4. I will join this. This will become root 4, that is 2. That means this is 7. This should be 7 centimeter line. As you can see over here, it starts from 0 and ends up to 7. Because my 1 unit was of 3.5, so 2 will become of 7. Now again from here, I will take, these all are of 1 unit perpendicular line with the help of protractor. As you can see, the time is being, so by making this last I will be concluding my video. You will just do it in such a way so that it will make a spiral. That means the line should 3.5 centimeter I had taken, and then after again I am just joining it. It becomes root 5. After root 4, this is 2 means root 4. This comes root 5. What you have to do, you have to continue this until it comes and touch this line. So up to that much you have to make. Since the video is becoming bigger, so I am concluding it over here. You will continue and you will use whiteners or some sketch paints to decorate it and explain it. So this is your home activities. Prepare as much nice as you can. Thank you very much.